Agency relationships exist as either special fiduciary duties owed to the client or general duties which are owed to the other party called the customer. The risks taken by a broker and their agents expose the broker to liability caused by an error, omission, or misunderstanding brought about by the activities of the broker or their agents. All acts carried out by the broker or their agents present the possibility that a client or other party will be injured financially. It is the risk of causing these losses which the broker needs to control. Risks are best limited by choosing activities which can be conducted with more certainty of a favorable result when relied on by the client or other person in a real estate transaction. Therefore, brokers need to maintain a risk reduction program to keep claims from the clients and others under control. The 5 steps necessary to establish a risk reduction program are as follows. 1. Identify all activities exposing the broker to liability. 2. Break down each identified activity into its component parts. 3. Evaluate what sorts of loss the client, others, or the broker may experience if the broker or their agents undertake the identified or similar activity. 4. Choose and adopt the brokerage activities and procedures which control the parameters of the agent's conduct when performing those activities. 5. Continually track agent compliance with activities authorized and limited by broker policies and establish ongoing remedial training in line with the risk reduction program. Remember, brokers are in a distinctly different category from sales agents. Brokers are authorized to deal with members of the public to offer, contract for, and render brokerage services for compensation. Sales agents are not. Without an administrative structure to verify the broker's agents are conducting themselves as intended, the broker will be exposed to an unnecessary risk of loss. Thus, the employing broker's responsibility to the public includes continuous policing of agent compliance with the duties owed to buyers and sellers. Oversight requires the commitment of financial and human resources to report unacceptable conduct, the holding of training meetings, and the maintenance of client files. Simply, continuing management. And of course, as a buffer against liability, a broker can purchase negligence insurance, called errors and omissions insurance, or E&O insurance. With the payment of a premium, E&O insurance protects brokers from the full cost of defending against a negligence claim made by the client or others.
In a world of generic CE, it's finally time to start enjoying your real estate education. Introducing First Tuesday's video renewal course, Real Estate Made Real. California's first and only DRE-approved video-based renewal experience. Get an exclusive preview and enroll today. Be the star of your career.